This industrial monitor isn't about flashy visuals or gimmicks. The SVSBJMK 17-inch touchscreen display is designed to get work done reliably and efficiently in industrial, professional, and production environments. From the start, it's clear this is a monitor built for performance and durability rather than consumer entertainment. The 17-inch display size makes it compact yet functional. It fits comfortably into limited spaces like factory floors, kiosks, control panels, and office stations while still being large enough for clear, precise monitoring. Every detail, whether it's text, charts, or system interfaces, remains crisp and readable, even during long hours of continuous use. A key feature is the capacitive touchscreen. Unlike older resistive panels, capacitive touch offers smooth, responsive interaction. Multi-touch support allows natural gestures for scrolling, zooming, and tapping. This makes it ideal for production monitoring, industrial control systems, kiosks, point-of-sale systems, and software interfaces where efficiency and precision are critical. Connectivity is versatile. With VGA, HDMI, DVI, and USB support, the monitor works with both legacy industrial machines and modern computers. VGA and DVI ensure compatibility with older hardware, while HDMI offers easy integration with newer devices. The USB connection handles touch functionality, making setup seamless across different operating systems and devices. Flexibility is one of the main advantages. It can function as a dedicated touch display for a laptop, a production line monitor, or an interface in a control room. Industrial setups often include a mix of new and old equipment, and this monitor bridges that gap without compromising reliability. Build quality is robust, as expected from an industrial-grade display. It's designed to handle long hours of operation, resist wear and tear, and remain functional under continuous use. The durable construction ensures longevity in demanding environments, making it suitable for factories, workshops, labs, and professional monitoring stations. The display prioritizes clarity and precision over exaggerated color profiles. This ensures that charts, dashboards, and data visualizations remain readable and accurate, even under bright lighting or from different viewing angles. The focus here is on usability and performance, which is exactly what industrial and professional users need. Another benefit is its simplicity. There are no unnecessary apps, features, or complicated menus. The monitor connects, works, and performs consistently, which is essential in professional environments where reliability is more important than novelty. For engineers, technicians, businesses, and production managers, this monitor provides a dependable solution for touch-enabled displays. It's especially useful where high accuracy, long operational hours, and versatile connectivity are required. If a dependable 17-inch industrial touchscreen monitor is what you need, the SVSBJMK display is built to meet those demands. It supports VGA, HDMI, DVI, and USB connections, has a responsive capacitive touchscreen, and offers durable, long-lasting performance for professional and industrial use. To purchase the SVSBJMK 1PC 17-inch industrial monitor, check the link in the description. Supporting through that link ensures you get the latest pricing and availability while also helping support the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.